Hey guys, Jason here at Fast J's in Huntington Beach. Getting ready to do an install with some ASV levers on a 2014 XL883 iron. About to get started.
You will need a T25 hex wrench, a T27 hex wrench, a 1/2 inch wrench, a 9/16 wrench, and a pair of C-clip pliers. Unhook the clutch cable line. Lift up the clutch cable sleeve. Loosen the clutch cable lock nut. Twist the clutch cable upward to loosen the clutch cable. Remove the C-clip from the mounting pin. Remove the mounting pin. Remove the stock lever. Push out the plastic cable retainer and pull out the cable. Insert the clutch cable eyelet into the ASV lever. Then, insert the cable retainer pin into the ASV lever with the ball side facing up. Insert the ASV lever into the perch. Insert the lever mounting pin. Reinstall the C-clip onto the lever mounting pin. Tighten the clutch cable. Leave at least 1/8 inch of cable slack between the lever and the perch. Slide the cable cover back into place. Reattach the cable bracket to the bike frame. Adjust the ASV lever to your preference.
Just finished up the lever install. Went great. Levers feel great. They're adjustable. Adjust them to your liking and you're on the road. Good to go.